There is no more lovely, friendly and charming relationship, communion or company as a good marriage, and hopefully that's what you'll have. With that, I'd like to propose the toast to both Kerry and Tom. I hope you really enjoy today and have a happy and wonderful life together. So, could I ask you all to be upstanding, please? And to raise your glasses to Kerry and Tom. Kerry and Tom.
Even on the darkest nights, I know the sun will rise. I will trust the promise I cannot see with my eyes. Even when the clouds surround, I know the sun still shines. But when will it break through? Jesus, I need you.
This might be a bit cliche, but I think you have both found life partners who come from each other perfectly. You are made for each other. You look beautiful, the dress looks perfect, and I hope everything today was you wish for. Can I get a cheer for the bride?
And all that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
And I now invite Kerry and Tom to seal their marriage with a kiss. You're going to applaud it? Yeah, well. Congratulations. Well done.
Friendship has got to come first. And Kerry, I have without a doubt found my best friend in you. You look incredibly beautiful today, but that comes as no surprise to anyone here. People here today are still in shock, thinking, how on earth has he done that?